Hi, welcome back to Barry's Backyard Barbecue. Another episode. We're going to do some grilled vegetables. There's green peppers, red peppers, orange peppers, and onions. And then we're going to try this. I was walking by the thing, I seen McCormick Grill Mates, and it's garlic, herb, and wine. And what I did was it calls for a quarter cup of water, a quarter cup of oil, and a teaspoon of balsamic vinegar. I just use white vinegar because I don't really like the taste of balsamic. But you can alter this however you want because that's what it's made for. And then what I did was I pre-measured everything in this cup. We'll stir it in once we get the vegetables on the grill and get in the pan, then we'll cover it over top and we'll start letting it simmer. So first off, let me get the grill started. And we'll put our pan on. And let it heat up for a little bit. Right now we'll get started mixing some of the sauce up. Okay. Alright. Now we'll go ahead and get this stirred into our pre-measured oil and water and vinegar. Take up a little bit of it and start stirring it up. Get it mixed up real good. And again, this is something new, and I've never tried it before, so I don't know how it's going to taste, but at the end of this show, we'll let you know how it tastes. Alright, we've got this all mixed up now, and what we're going to do is we're going to throw the vegetables in, and then I'm going to dump this right on top of the vegetables when I'm done. Okay, as you can see, these are our NexGrill tongs and our NexGrill spatula that we always use cooking with our NexGrill grill. Okay, it's time to put our vegetables in. And then later on, I am going to come out and put some mushrooms in it, but they didn't have any good fresh mushrooms. So I'm just going to go with canned mushrooms, so you can just kind of add that at the end. Oh, that smells very good. So, okay, we're back, and it's been about 15 minutes or so. We're going to check it, stir it, see how it looks. We might have to add a little bit of water to it. Oh yeah, it's looking pretty good. It smells really good. And I think we're definitely going to have to add just a little bit of water to it. And we'll cover it up, and we'll come back in probably about another 15-20 minutes, see how it's looking. Okay, we're back. We're going to add the mushrooms. It's been about 15 more minutes. I like to use Pennsylvania Dutchman, the pieces and stems, and I already pre-drained it. So we'll just open up the can and add them in. And we'll give it a little stir around. So it's definitely smelling pretty good. Yeah, looks like everything's cooking up pretty nice. it cook for about another 15-20 minutes, and we'll come back and take a look and see what. Alright, we're back now for the final check, and it all looks good. Everything looks like it's cooked. So I think we should probably take a little bit out and take a taste test and make sure it's good. As you can see, peppers and onions, everything looks all done. It really smells good. With all the oil on it, it's kind of slippery. Oh yeah, it smells good. It's very hot, but boy, is that good. Thanks for watching. Please like and share. And this is the end of our episode. And thank you again from Barry's Backyard Barbecue.